Okay, let's get started. The empty manager I am using is official one and 2.11.1. Okay, let's get started. Okay, from the bottom we can see a plus. It indicates that create a file. If you want to create a file, tap here. If you want to create a folder, tap here. Okay, let me explain. Suppose ABC folder, the folder get created. If you want to delete, you can delete. Suppose file abc.txt. Note that txt is an extension of text file. Okay, if you want to create, you can create it or you can edit it. Okay, now the other part is okay, this is back. Okay, this is back. Now if you put this and try this, it will this will automatically go to this. Okay, now if you want to go back, you can put here. If you want to go front forward, you can click here. Empty as a default of like this, create. Okay, it will automatically push to search, filtering search. This is a filter search. Filter search means example text. These two files have a text format, so it will filter it. Okay, I will explain it about a filter here also, no problem, but long press on this will have that. Okay, now each format I will tell you. Wait. Okay, now you can see here it's a left side window and it's a right side window. You can see here there are 118 files. There are 118 files here, 30, and the disk space 31.07 is the disk space I have used. Total GB is 105 GB. Okay, you can see here there are 3 files, 0 folders because it didn't have any folders, 3 files here. Okay, this is the main. You can use the go to example go to. I will explain. Suppose here you want it, the text has been copied, you have gone to some other place, click here, select all, paste. Sorry. Okay, it will automatically go to this. If you want to go back, okay, this will go back. Okay, now this and this I said. Okay, now for the others I will say, please wait. Okay, this is the root directory. The root directory is accessible and it can be deleted. The files here can be deleted only by the root user or SU, super user rights. Suppose I will show you. You can't delete. See, you can't delete because you are not a super user. Okay, this is the storage directory. This is SD card directory. SD card is memory card. Okay, purchase VIP. Okay, now plugin manager is a VIP function. I will don't have to show it. Okay, remote management. Remote management means it is something like connecting PC to mobile. Okay, you can share the files and etc like this. Okay, this is remote management. Extract files. Extract, it has a benefit, more benefits. Okay, suppose you want to copy a file. Suppose you want to copy this, you can copy this. Okay, this will useful for anything also. You can copy the package name, you can copy the this name, anything you can. Even you can uninstall it directly without going into details. If you want to go into details, you can show, but if you want to uninstall it, you can directly uninstall it. Okay, I will uninstall it for you. Uninstalled. You can copy the system package name, system names, etc. Sometimes you can go to direct data directory of user apps. System apps is not possible. Okay, next text directory. Text editor, it has multiple benefits. Okay, this will show whatever the text files are. Minimize, this minimize button goes to back. Okay, text editor, if you want to copy anything, then you can copy, paste it. Okay, what you copy you can paste it. This is package name of Google Play Store. Okay, I will explain the text editor later. Okay, I will explain all the functions later. Okay, text editor, terminal simulator. Okay, I have updated the packages. Suppose this is all permission limited, but to explain it I have explained. Okay, this is terminal emulator. You can set the terminal emulator start part. If you have set it at uh, our storage directory, this can be accessible. Okay, I will show you. Copy it, terminal emulator, preference, paste. Okay, reset, ls. Now you can see these are all the files here. Video compressor, lucky dot patch. These are all the files what I have in this folders and files. If you want to have this color lighting, syntax color lighting, you must have upgraded empty manager. Okay, it's a highly advanced shell scripting. I will tell about it later, but as of this video I'm just showing what it can be possible. Okay, some commands are not working in this shell script, but it's okay, most of things can be done. Okay, terminal script, ftp silent. Ftp silent is a very interesting one, because if you create an host like this, if you create an host, then you can access the files directly from one phone to other without share it, etc. It is highly complicated. If you, it can be set as username, password, remote part. It can be set. Remote part means like this what you have copied. UTF-8 means it is default chassis format we use. Okay, passive mode, active mode, there are two modes. Leave that. Okay, save means if you have saved this, then it will show the corresponding person's mobiles directly here. About to here they will be showing MNOMS. If there are any queries, then you can go to this and you can check her files also. FTP silent and remote management are same like thing, and you can play with them like this. Suppose you will use maximo extract AKP many times, so put it here. Okay, text editor I said. Activity record. Activity record is something like uh, current activity. Okay, I will show you. I think this only. Okay, I have opened something I have to open. Okay, I have opened syntax this anti-split. You can see anti-split main activity starting. Okay, it is something similar to, it is something similar to current activity. Okay, I explained all this. Okay, it is about light, no problem. Okay, now sorting and all functions I will explain. Okay, before sorting, this is main important. Okay, listen. Okay, now check this. The only thing I have to say is, if you open an APK here, then it will not show directly here. You have to open an APK here also if you want to check. Okay, other than that it can show it like this. Okay, now what I am showing is very important. Listen, this is HTML format. Okay, select this. As you can see bottom here, there are many things like this. Okay, remember it. If you select this and select this, then automatically select same file type. Okay, click this. As you can see, you can rename this, rename not, you can delete this, you can extract this. Okay, it's all. Okay, now if you want to select the inverse, okay, what he have selected is HTML. If you want to invert, they will get inverted. So far it is select all like this. Okay, it means select all. Okay, all get selected. Okay, now here comes the main thing. Here comes the main thing. This button, select continuously. It is set by default. Okay, what select means, suppose you select out this and you want to delete up to this. Okay, the drag means from this to this it will automatically gets. If you want to delete, if you delete, they will all get deleted. Auto sign is something. I will off this empty. Okay, these are main important ones. Okay, I have said it. You can filter here also, I will explain it later. Okay, I have explained this up to this. Okay, now sort, filter, etc. I will show you. Refresh means something refresh. Search means you can search anything like this. .apk. Okay, let's leave it. Search results. Search results are automatically saved until and unless you remove the empty manager from background. Okay, search results. Only the previous search results will be there. Okay, as I said, the select all layer, you can select all. Okay, filter I have said. Sort. The sort is a very important function. Let's check it once clearly. Okay, we have edited the text. Now this text a previous past, this text older. Okay, now what we have to do is just renaming one. Okay, sort by name. Name means A to Z, it will get started like this. See one here, so sorted like this. By size, first size, big size will be first, small size will be first here, big size will be later here. Like type means the same type will come first. Since only three are different types, it will go like this. If three are something same, three are same, then say both these files are side by side, down, up and down. You can play with this, but put by date and reverse order means the first the newly modified ones will show up. Okay, this is the, you have to keep like this. Okay, good. Now open terminal. This is same to side terminal file, from where you can access this also same. Timex will the in charge way. Hidden files. What the difference between hidden files is, it shows the files with a dot extension. See mix explorer dot extension. If you rename this, the mix explorer is not showing. Okay, now add to bookmarks. Add to bookmarks is a highly customized function. You can do it like this. Suppose we have many files in our group. Telegram, Android. I'm on Android 11, so it will be saved here. Android data filter Telegram. Okay, files, Telegram, documents. Okay, from here we can have our independent files and folders. Okay, instead of going to this all the time, add to bookmark. If you have done it, you can see I have already saved it. I will remove it. Okay, now what we do is, instead of going to that, you can go to this. Wait. Okay, it is easily accessible instead of going from Android and all. Okay, set as home page. Set as home page means whenever you open an empty manager from background, removing background, you will be having that. Wait, I will show you. Suppose, okay, let me put in this set as home page. Home page is setted. Okay, empty manager is here. See, you can see, access the previous files. Okay, it can be edited later also. Access is on. Okay, I have explained all these things.